First things first, not every job is ideal for every person. To increase your chances of success and fulfillment, guys, it's essential to choose a side hustle that aligns with your strengths, passions, and skills. Now, if you're an introvert, you like to spend time alone and you feel drained after spending a lot of time around people. If you're tired of people asking you why you're so quiet all the time, fear not. Because today I've got some side hustles for you that won't require small talk or any awkward office parties. Here are the top 10 side hustles that are perfect for those of us who prefer the company of our own thoughts. Put on your comfy sweatpants, grab a cup of tea, and let's get started. Now, this side hustle caused me to drop my jaw because when I saw how much people were charging, I just couldn't believe it. Online tutoring is an excellent side hustle for introverts who enjoy teaching and who have knowledge in a high demand subject such as math or science. You can earn $50 per hour as an online tutor, or you can earn a whole lot more. Websites like Chegg, tutor.com, Schooly, OutSchool, these are all great. But the one that I found where people were asking for a whole lot more money was Wyzant.com. On Wyzant, there were teachers who charge hundreds of dollars per hour, up to $400 per hour for 1 hour of tutoring in math. So if you have a high demand subject that you know very well, you can charge $300 per hour. Now, Wyzant will take 30% of that. Say you charge $150, which was the average. Wyzant will take 30%, which is about $45, and you end up with $105 in your pocket for 1 hour of work. Freelance writing is a perfect side hustle for introverts who love to write. You can work on your own time and earn a decent income. The earning potential for freelance writers varies based on your level of experience and the type of writing that you do. As a beginner, you can earn around 5 cents to 10 cents per word, while experienced writers can earn up to $1 and more per word. Now, you can find freelance writing jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. If you're good with numbers, then virtual bookkeeping is a great option for you. You can earn up to $60 per hour as a bookkeeper, and more, depending on your level of experience, of course. Now, virtual bookkeeping allows you to work from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. You can find virtual bookkeeping jobs on websites like Bookminders, accountingdepartment.com, and Belay Solutions. Web design is a great option for introverts who love to create websites. You can earn around $50 to $100 per hour, depending on your level of experience. Now, you don't need to learn web design skills such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, although you could, but you can simply customize websites from places like Wix.com and even Google Sites now, and then sell those to customers. Once you build up your skills in that area, you can find web design jobs on websites like 99 Designs, TopTal, and Upwork. A perfect side hustle for introverts is social media management. If you enjoy spending time alone, this will be great for you. You can earn up to $50 per hour and more managing social media accounts for businesses. Now, to get started, you'll need to learn social media marketing skills and understand how to create engaging content. And you can find social media jobs all over the internet. If you're fluent in a second language, translation services can be a great side hustle for you. You can translate documents, websites, and even audio or video content. You can charge up to 10 cents per word or more for translation services. Check out websites like GenGo and Translators Town to find translation jobs. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be a great side hustle for introverts. You can take care of pets in your own home or the owner's home, and you don't have to worry about being around people all the time. You can offer your services to pet owners in your local area. You can charge up to $25 or more per hour for pet sitting or dog walking. Check out websites like Rover and Wag to find pet sitting or dog walking gigs. Now, one unique side hustle for an introvert could be creating and selling digital art online. Introverts can utilize their creativity and artistic skills to create unique and original pieces of art that can be sold on various platforms such as Etsy, Society6, or Redbubble. This side hustle is perfect for the introvert who loves to be by themselves. As an introvert, you likely have a talent for writing and you are able to focus for extended periods of time without any distraction. Copywriting requires attention to detail, a strong command of language, and the ability to write in a way that captures the reader's attention and persuades them to take action. Copywriting can be a lucrative side hustle with the potential to earn anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars per project, depending on the client and the scope of the work. Now, many freelance copywriters charge by the hour or by the project, and rates can vary widely depending on your skill level of cost. To get started as a copywriter, you can create a portfolio of your own work by writing samples on a variety of topics and then market your services on freelance websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can also network with local businesses and offer your services directly to them. Now, there are many resources available online to help you improve your copywriting skills, such as courses, there are books, there are blogs, and some of the most popular ones includes the book The Writer's Handbook by Robert W. Bly. I also recommend the Copywriting Certificate course by Sarah Anna Powers. She's over at sarahanapowers.com, and I have taken one of her courses and she's excellent. And finally, if you have a great voice, voiceover work can be a great side hustle. You can record voiceovers for videos, commercials, and other content. You can charge up to $250 or more per project. Check out websites like voices.com and fiverr.com to find voiceover gigs. If you're an introvert, you probably won't leave me a comment, but thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, then like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.